There were some big developments today in the legal battles involving former President Donald Trump. First, an appeals court handed him a partial victory as he faced a deadline today to post a $464 million bond. And we also now know when his first criminal trial will begin. ABC's Rena Roy now with the updates from New York.
Former President Trump dealing with not one, but two cases against him in New York City today. A court deciding he can pay less on his nearly $500 million judgment in his civil fraud case, and a trial date set for his criminal case involving that alleged hush money payment.
A pivotal day in court for former President Donald Trump in two cases against him. A New York judge finalizing a trial date of April 15th in the hush money case involving adult actress Stormy Daniels.
Should have been started 3 years ago if they were going to start it at all. And then you wouldn't be quibbling over what week it's going to, days. They're quibbling over days and hours. I don't know how you can have a trial that's going on right in the middle of an election. Not fair.
Defense attorneys were arguing for more time after more evidence was turned over by prosecutors, but the judge saying prosecutors are not at fault for the late production of documents. Trump pleading not guilty last year to charges of falsifying business records related to his hush money payment to Stormy Daniels ahead of the 2016 election. Meanwhile, in Trump's civil fraud case, a New York appellate court ordering that Trump only needs to post a $175 million bond for the $500 million judgment.
I greatly respect the decision of the appellate division, and I'll post either $175 million in cash or bonds or security or whatever is necessary very quickly within the 10 days.
It comes after Trump's lawyers argued the original amount was a practical impossibility.
One source just said to me, we got everything we wanted. They are very surprised by this ruling and very grateful for it.
The massive judgment issued by Judge Arthur Engoron in February, finding that Trump and his sons Don Jr. and Eric had committed a decade of fraud by inflating their assets to obtain better business deals.
Trump's lawyers say he tried securing the full amount, but more than 30 underwriters turned him down. Trump and his sons have denied all wrongdoing and have appealed the ruling. In New York, Rena Roy for Channel 6 Action News.